Easy pull tabs. Quick start beginnings? Who asked for this convenience anyway?
This Hirschner's worsted 8 yarn is just too easy. I've even tried yarn from Bernat, Red Heart, and Karen. It's just too easy.
Well, great news! This April 1st, we're introducing a whole new dimension to your knitting and crochet needs. It's called YARF.
YARF? Tell me more.
YARF is the last yarn ball you'll ever need or want to work with. YARF is factory-tangled and comes in mysterious colors. YARF will add hours, even days to your projects. If you hate yarns that start easy, then YARF is for you.
That sounds amazing. These easy start yarns are just too convenient. I want to spend more time untangling and less time on my projects.
But wait, there's more! Order YARF on April 1st and get these custom bent crochet hooks. If you thought working with YARF was time-consuming, wait until you try these. Free with every purchase of YARF. Order today!
Thanks, YARF. I can't wait to never start my projects.
YARF does not exist as an actual product. Do not attempt to make your own YARF. YARF is a fake product intended as an April Fool's Day joke. We recommend non-YARF products such as Hirschner's Worsted 8 or any of the OGO yarns from Red Heart, Karen, or Bernat.